How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock someone on Snapchat on both your Android and iOS device. Now if you open up Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and you'll be headed to your profile. Now if you head into your friends, you can see the friends option here on the profile and head into my friends and long tap and head into manage friendship. You'll be able to block them from here. However, if you want to unblock particular someone, what you want to do is head back to your profile and head into the gear icon or settings icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen, and if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find the option blocked just above the option saved login info. You can see it on the screen right here. Simply tap on blocked and you'll be able to find all your block list here. Now if you want to unblock a particular user, what you want to do is tap on the cross icon that you can see just beside the username, and you'll get notification about are you sure you want to unblock the Snapchatter. Simply tap on yes and they'll be unblocked. You can do similar with other accounts. Simply tap on cross and simply tap on yes and they'll be unblocked. So this way you can unblock someone on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.